Ever looked at a financial statement and felt like you were trying to decode ancient codes? You're not alone. But guess what? Understanding financial statements is easier than you think. And in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to make it fun, fast, and simple. Welcome to Imarticus Learning, where we make finance so easy you'll feel like a pro. Let's dive into the world of financial statements without the headaches. First things first, what even are financial statements? In short, they are reports that show how a company is doing financially. It's like a report card but for businesses. And just like your school report card, there are different subjects or sections. 3 to be precise: the income statement, the balance sheet, and the cash flow statement. Think of them as the holy trinity of financial health. Let's kick off with the income statement, or what I like to call the profit report. It shows how much money the company is making and spending over a period of time. Imagine you're running a food truck. Your income statement would list things like: number 1, revenue from all those delicious meals you're selling. Number 2, cost like ingredients, wages, and rent. And finally, your profit. How much are you actually keeping after paying all the bills? If the company made more than it spent, that's a win. But if expenses are higher than revenues, well, time to cut back on those fancy avocados. Next up, the balance sheet. Think of this as the company's snapshot in time of what it owns and owes on a specific day. On one side, you've got assets. These are things like cash, equipment, or real estate that the company owns. On the other side, you've got liabilities, things the company owes like loans or unpaid bills. Assets minus liabilities equals equity. That's the company's net worth. It's like checking your wallet, how much do you actually have left after paying off your credit card. Finally, let's talk about the cash flow statement, which is like the bank statement for a business. It tracks how cash moves in and out of the company. Now picture this. You're the CEO of a tech startup. You got cash from investors, which is cash inflow. But you also had to pay for office space, salaries, and fancy coffee machines. That is cash outflow. The cash flow statement tells you if your business is running out of cash or staying healthy. There are 3 main types of cash flows. Number 1, operating cash flow, which is money from the business operations. Number 2, investing cash flow, that is cash used to buy or sell assets. And number 3 is financing cash flow, that is cash from investors or loans. Why do these statements even matter? Well, they help investors, managers, and even you decide if a company is doing well or heading for trouble. It's like reading a company's diary. No secrets, just straight facts. Want to invest in a company? Check their financial statements. Are they profitable? Do they have a ton of debt? Do they burn through cash faster than your morning coffee? These reports will give you all the answers. And that's it. You just unlocked the basics of financial statements in under 10 minutes. The next time you see a balance sheet, you won't run away in fear. You'll dive in like a pro. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Imarticus Learning for more fun and easy to understand finance content. Have questions about financial statements? Drop them in the comments. I would love to help. See you in the next video, and remember, your financial future starts with understanding the numbers.